Alright, Dax Game, we are back for another video. Yes, I know, I'm doing it again. I think I'm gonna do, I was thinking of doing a Pierre Bourne Playboy Cardi, but like my own way. Fight! So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try doing that today. And oh, look what we have here. We got, you know what I'm saying, the GOAT VST, none other than Omnisphere, of course. It's kind of weird that I'm using Omnisphere for that kind of beast net, but I mean, just reinstalled it, and yeah, looks like I'm gonna use it, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna just get onto it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, all that stuff. And we're just gonna get into this video, man. I don't want to take too long in the intros, because I'm trying to get started, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Wow, alright. I feel like I've just been thrown into the deep end again. What sounds are we gonna use?
One eternity later.
Alright, so I guess we're not gonna be using that. We'll use Dune 2. Let's use Dune 2. Alright, forget Omnisphere for now. It's giving you some technical difficulties and I'm not trying to deal with that. Let's try. I think we got it already. Guys. Alright. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Alright, what we gotta do now? Okay, so now I remember, I gotta re-record this in Edison so that it actually freaking sounds like, you know, it doesn't like do that little weird glitch thing where it like plays late. Okay. Hold up. Alright, I'm gonna add some drums on this now. We're gonna add drums. No. I know I had a drum kit with way better snares, but guess I lost that. Could've sworn I did. Oh, hold on, Chad. I think we might have an upgrade real quick. I will be right back. I think it's returned. All right. There it is. We have finally got the wire to the headphones, and now I'm gonna use them now. for the rest of this video because I want to hear the perfect sound. I haven't used these headphones in so long, it feels like. All right, boys, let's see if this works. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna half speed this, and then I'm going to see if I can pitch it up, and if that sounds any good. All right, let's try it. Exactly. All right. Let's give this a flanger. This is definitely a flanger sound. All right, I'm feeling this. All right, let's add the what's it called? 808. All right, can I make a good 808 pattern? Ooh, I don't know. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna make the play by Cardi rule, and I'm just gonna use a spins 808 just cause. Okay. Let's see.
Twelve seconds later.
Okay. It's definitely not a play by Cardi B. Oh man. Okay. Alright, I gotta change the name. This is alright, let's see. I guess I still can make beats, kind of. Alright. All right, there you have it. There is my Playboy Cardi type beat. Oh damn, do I want to? I don't want to finish this beat on camera. Ah damn. You know what? Let's arrange it. Forget it. I know you guys like when I do that, right? Should I arrange it? I'll arrange it. I'll arrange it. Okay, all right. You know what? I'm gonna leave it there. I think it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for watching. Once again, I don't know what I'm gonna call this video. I know I said Playboy Cardi at the beginning, but who knows? Who knows what happens with these videos? Probably gonna call it Dark Trap or something. So I don't even know. But yeah, let me know what other videos you guys want me to do in the comment section below, because I really don't know what's popular anymore. I'm kind of getting back into this, so let me know. Let me know. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch, because you know what I'm saying, I stream there regularly now. I'm gonna listen to your guys' beats like I always do, and yeah, I just don't make beats live, because making beats live is weird to me. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, and peace.